Hello children. If someone asked us to divide these chalks into groups, then how will we divide them? We will divide them by putting them into groups according to their colors. Now, if I asked you to divide these animals into groups, then some children will group them into animals and birds, while some children will group them into wild animals, domestic animals and birds. When we sort or divide things into groups on the basis of some similarities and differences, that means we classify them. So today we are going to classify animals according to their some characteristics. So let us start. Children, we cannot see all the animals with our naked eyes because some of them are very tiny in size, and to see them we need microscope. Just try this. Take a drop of water from a puddle and place it on a glass slide. After observing it under microscope, innumerable microbes can be seen moving about in it. You will see the continuously moving amoeba. Amoeba consists of a single cell, so it's very tiny in size. Paramecium will also consist of a single cell. So amoeba and paramecium are called unicellular animals. Now what do you mean by unicellular? Organism that is made of single cell is called unicellular. But other animals like deer, dog, zebra and also humans are made of many cells, so they are grouped as multicellulars. What do you mean by multicellular? Organisms that is made of many cells is called multicellular. So, on the basis of cell structure, animals are classified into two groups, that are unicellular and multicellular. Student, move your fingers through the center of your back. You will find that there is the chain of bones which is known as vertebral column. It is also called as spinal cord or backbone. Like us, some animals also have vertebral column like snake, fish and bird. It provides attachment to the muscles and support the tongue. Here you can see the vertebral column of snake, fish and bird. So all these animals are grouped as vertebrates. What do you mean by vertebrates? Animals with vertebral column are called vertebrates. Some animals like spider, earthworm, starfish, cockroaches, etc. do not have vertebral column. So they are grouped as invertebrates. Invertebrate means animals without vertebral column. On the basis of vertebral column, animals are classified into two groups, that are vertebrates and invertebrates. Reproduction is an important characteristic of living things. Reproduction means living things produce other living things like themselves. If the question is, name some animals which lay eggs, then you will immediately say hen. Yes, it's correct. A hen lays eggs and hatches them. After a few days, young chicks hatch out of the eggs. Animals like snake, tortoise also lay eggs and reproduce. So they are grouped as oviparous animals. Animals which reproduce by laying eggs are called oviparous animals. While some animals like cow, cat give birth to their young ones. Human beings also give birth to their young ones. So they are grouped as viviparous animals. Viviparous means animals which give birth to their young ones are called viviparous. So on the basis of method of reproduction, animals are classified into two groups, that are oviparous animals and viviparous animals. Animals like camel, elephant, dog, etc. live predominantly or entirely on land are called terrestrial animals. Some animals like seahorse, fish, etc. live entirely in the water are called aquatic animals. However, animals like frog, salamander, toad lives in both places, namely land and water. Therefore, they are classified as amphibious animals. Birds, butterfly, honeybees fly in the air, though they live in different places. These animals are said to have an aerial mode of life. So, on the basis of habitat, animals are classified into three groups, that are terrestrial animals, aquatic animals and amphibious animals. So today we classified animals into four groups on the basis of cell structure, vertebral column, mode of reproduction and habitat. According to cell structure, animals are grouped as unicellular animals and multicellular animals. On the basis of vertebral column, animals are classified into vertebrates and invertebrates. On the basis of mode of reproduction, animals are again classified as oviparous animals and viviparous animals. And as per habitat, animals are grouped as terrestrial animals, aquatic animals and amphibious animals. This flow chart will help you to remember classification of animals. I hope you all may have understood this. Links of other videos related to this topic are given in description box. So if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.